We were able to work in this beautiful space for a few days. The owners of this condo really wanted help kind of touching every area of their home and just bringing in some really functional systems so that their whole home could stay organized. We started in the kitchen. We recategorized based on kind of how they function. They don't do a lot of cooking at home, but they do have a lot of snacks and a lot of supplements and daily routines. So we prioritized those items so that they were really easy for each person to see what they need on a daily basis. We also worked in the hallway closet. They had a lot of storage, but it wasn't really functional for what they needed to store. So we added some freestanding shelving units and created categories for everything that they have on hand. In the office space, we transformed what would traditionally be like a normal bedroom closet into something that really functions more for an office. This is such a good hack for anyone who's renting or doesn't want to deal with sort of like demolishing your existing closet structure and then you have to do all the wall repair and all of those things. We just got some inexpensive metal bookshelves from IKEA. These are roughly $50 a piece. And it's such a perfect option for when you just want to add something into your space without having to do a lot of, like I said, like demo and repair. So adding these shelves in, we were able to transform this from a bedroom closet into more of an office storage space. We used white opaque bins also from IKEA so that every part of their office supplies were categorized, but you don't have to see all the visual clutter. I also love these bins because they have lids, so they stack really beautifully. In the primary bedroom, we spruced up the home office a little bit, restyled the bookshelves just to make it a little more visually appealing. And then in the closet, we definitely did a lot of work here. We were working with, a large shoe collection and also wanting to leave room to grow. And then also the female owner of the house would do fashion shoots and things sometimes. So making sure that we had categories for daily wear items, but also a whole section for upcoming photo shoots. And the end result, I think, as you can see, is so beautiful and functional.